Hi guys, Jacob here. Welcome to another video, and today, new point of view. I've bought myself a new camera because last time people were saying that my hands were too much in the way of the camera, so this is why we've got a new camera setup. Anyway, today I'm going to take you on a point of view drive with my Mini John Cooper Works, and hopefully the weather doesn't, well, behave itself, but we'll find out on our drive. So let's go. I love that on the little dash. A little mini symbol comes up and it winks at you. Right, let's go. Seatbelt. Let's find some nice country roads to enjoy the Mini. As you can see, the typical British weather does not fail. When the only day I'm free to do filming, the weather is awful. But that still doesn't mean we can have a bit of fun with the car. So let's put it in sport mode. As you can feel, the car immediately jumps into life when you put it in sport mode. The throttle gets a lot more sensitive. And then let's put it down. Not much grip, but it still goes. These Pilot Sport 4s on this car, really you can put the power down and it's fantastic. I do like this road. It's normally quite quiet, which is the main thing, but it is very puddly today. Now the car does rev match for you and it makes driving this an utter pleasure. You can downshift and it's rev matching. Let's just downshift fourth. You hear the rev matching come up for you. It's really nicely done. Oh, loads of pops on the overrun. The car just feels, even though it is wet today, you can still get the power down in this car, even though it's only front wheel drive. It does struggle in second, but once it's in third, it really does go. Coming up, nice. I love this road. Let's go. Beautiful. God, I do love this car. God, it's been a while since I've enjoyed myself. A bit of understeer there. The car just drives amazing in these, even in these conditions. The car is so alive. It is amazing. Woo! Let's not go too much over the speed limit. No one wants. Oh, then point proven, exactly. Just someone crossing the road. But the car is, even on a day like this, it's bloody quick. Anyway, we're coming to a 30 limit. Slow down, put it in eco, and the car just behaves itself. It's nice and quiet once you put it in eco mode. You get no pops and bangs from the exhaust anymore, but it still rev matches, which is really nice. Right, de-restriction again. I can go back into sport. No grip going up that hill. Loads of pops and bangs from the overrun. I will admit the pops and bangs are very personal preference. If younger generations, like below 30s, we do like a good pop and bang map, even though it is standard on the Mini. Even though my car is tuned, standard exhaust does pop and bang, but I do have a resonator delete, which makes it a bit more fruitier. Now we have come from the country road to a bit of town drive, and I thought, well, what's this? Well, you're not always going to have a nice country road to give it some. What's this car like if just pottering around town? And, well, it behaves itself really nicely. It's quiet from the exhaust as long as you have it in eco mode. There's a few rumbles from the exhaust, but nothing too extreme, which is nice because you don't want to disturb everyone. Just because I like the way the exhaust sound, not everyone else will. So it's nice to keep it in eco, and you get just a nice rumble if you're outside. You can hear it, but it's not too annoying, which is kind of something I look towards. when driving. There is a lot of cyclists out today. Well, that's good for them, you know. Not that it's annoying that we're doing 10 miles an hour, but never mind, you know, it's fine. But yeah, the car handles really well, and hopefully this point of view drive has given you kind of a good understanding of what the car's like. It's a bit of a short video today. I just kind of wanted you to see what this car was like to drive, even though the weather has been terrible. I will do a full review coming up, but I just thought I'd do a nice gentle drive for the time being to let you know what it's like. Anyway guys, I'm about to head home because it is Christmas lights on tonight in my town, so I'm going to be watching those. So I'm going to say thanks very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. I will be doing more point of view drives and with different cars, so hopefully this channel will get a lot more videos. I've just been very busy at work, which has just been a bit difficult to do videos. But thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys.